I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth. Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by Braids Queen. Shout out to you, Braids Queen, for sending me this unit. So this unit does come with 4 combs in the front and 2 combs in the back, and it does come with adjustable straps, as you guys can see right here. And this is their Dutch braid unit, and I do have it in the color 27/613. The rest is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me style this unit. I do want to mention, like, as you guys can see right here, the lace is too dark for me. I am going to talk about that a little more in the outro portion of this video. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. So if you're interested in any more details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Braids Queen. Shout out to you, Braids Queen, for sending me this unit. This unit is their 100% hand-braided 4 Dutch braids lace wig. This unit, the color that I have this unit in is 27/613. It says, get a perfect braided look under 15 minutes instead of sitting for 8 hours for traditional braids. Save time and money. 100% hand quality Kankalone fiber. 100% hand braided. Realistic cornrow braids. Ultra soft Swiss lace capside standard medium. 4 color options. Length 30 inches. The weight 380 grams. And yeah, they do have pictures of the different colors that they have available. They do have it in this color, which is 27/613. They have it in the color 1B/33. They have it in the color 1B/27. And they have it in the color 1B/613. That was actually the color that I was initially going to get, was the 1B/613. And then I was like, you know what? I always love a good 27/anything. I usually love a 27/30, but that wasn't an option. So I was like, okay, I'm going to get wherever the 27 is at. So that's what I opted into getting. I'm still kind of interested, low-key, in the 1B/613. Okay, so yeah, this unit is not a whole lot I can say about it. Like, I can't remember how many combs it is. I think it's like 6 combs in this wig, but I'm not 100% sure. As far as shedding and tangling, girl. Okay, like, what's gonna shed or tangle? And as far as big-headed friendliness, now I do have the straps like crisscross. Girl, it's like hurting my head back here. So I do feel like it is big head friendly. I think if your head is bigger, you could probably put this wig on and not put any Gots to Be glue or anything on it whatsoever. But Yeah, like it's kind of snug on your girl head, honey. Okay, so I just want you guys to be wary of that when I crisscross it. And right now I do consider myself more on the small head side of the spectrum. So if you know, like you feel like you're kind of small heady ish, then I feel like you can make it work, as well as you can make it work if your head is on the bigger side. So yeah, that's that. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the cap construction and all that. It's not like a whole lot that I have to say. This unit does come with baby hairs. I did cut them and, you know, like lay them down. I did use mousse initially, but then I also went back and with my 24-hour edge tamer and laid them down because, child, that mousse just wasn't getting it, girl. Okay, just keeping it a book. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you're interested in how I feel about this unit, oh no, I'm gonna do a lint check and then we'll get into how I feel about this unit. Okay, so this is where the unit comes to me. Like, it's super, super, super long. This is a long unit, and these are obviously 2 braids on each side. It's a total of 4. I just have them like together, but this is where it comes to me. Okay, so if you are interested in how I feel about this unit and anything extra that I may have done with it, then please continue to watch. Okay, honey, so let me tell you what I think about this wig. Let me tell you what my issue is with this unit. The issue I have with this unit is that the lace is way too dark for my complexion. Like, as you guys can see, and you probably could see as soon as I put the unit on, the lace was really dark for my skin color. Like, I don't think that would be an issue for a lot of other people, or, you know, for the majority of us. But for me and people on the lighter end of the, you know, like, or you consider light skin or caramel or whatever, I do feel like the lace is just a little, not a little, it's too dark. Okay, so that was my issue with this wig. Like, I feel like it would have done better being a transparent lace, especially with the color that this unit is. So yeah, that was my issue with the wig. Other than that, I really didn't have any issue with it. In general, Dutch braids is just not my thing, but I do feel like it is more so on trend. A lot of girls are like loving the Dutch braid look, and if that's your swag, then like I do think that it was done right. Like, my issue is strictly like that it's just like, you know, not necessarily my swag, but I do feel like that the braided wig is cute, and, you know, it gets the job done if that is the look that you're going for. Other than the lace, I have no issues with this unit whatsoever. I think the color is pure perfection. Can I get this color in like something else? I love the color. The color is pure perfection, girl. Like, I am definitely feeling this color. Like, it is me all day, every day. Okay, it's just that, like I said, the Dutch look has just never been my personal swag, whether it's on trend or not. But I do love the color. I do like the unit in itself. I just, you know, like, just is outside of my comfort zone. It is just outside of my comfort zone, but I do like the idea of the unit. So yeah, that is pretty much all about this unit. It's not a whole lot that I can even say about it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360. As far as the little ropes that I have on it, you can get these from the beauty supply store, as well as these little dangly things. My little cousin was here and I was like, oh no, I had more. Girl, if you could see my room just for me looking for more of these, you would not believe how I've messed up my room looking for that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. This is also a unit that I think I would have liked more if the lace was transparent. If, you know, because the lace is so dark, it just really throws me off because it gives it a like, it doesn't look realistic on me. So I think if it was a more of a transparent lace, I probably would like it more despite it having this style. So yeah, that's that, y'all. That is pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think down below. Are you into the Dutch braid look? Like, whether it's on trend or not? Like, is that your swag, girl? Do you like it? Let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click that subscribe button. And if you're not already, follow me on all my social media platforms. I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.